video tutorial, I'm going to explain to you how to work or how to crochet a two-sided foundation row in single crochet. It's a little bit like the cast on for knitting, which means that you will have to have a tail on one side and your continuing yarn on the other. So we start with a slip knot, and then we take the side, the long tail side, and our continuing yarn. Have that on your hand like you usually would. You start with your tail and you bring it over the hook. Then with a hook, grab the continuing yarn, hold on to the knot here just to have a bit of a good start, and then you pull it through both loops on the hook. Now we've got one loop on the hook and we're creating another loop on the hook again, and we pull through from the other side of the yarn. So the tail is going over the hook front to back. Then we grab the yarn with the hook and pull it through two loops. The tail front to back, two loops, pull through both loops. The tail, go front to back over the hook, with the hook, yarn over and pull through both loops. Again with the tail, go from front to back, and with the hook, pull the yarn over and pull through both loops. And once you've got a bit of a work here, then you can go a little bit faster. Like that. And that way you create a foundation row where you have the V's at the top, the rooster agrees, and you also have V's at the bottom. You see here? These are the V's that are at the bottom of the foundation row. And when you start to work into this foundation row, you can either turn or chain one and turn, depending on how you continue, and then work into those V's. And it's just as easy as if you would already have made a single crochet row already, because there's a bit more substance on the other side. Or alternatively, depending on how you're going to use this foundation row, alternatively, you chain one and you continue on the other side. For example, if you use it to create a bottom, or if you want to create an oval shape, or even a rectangular shape. So depending on what the pattern says, you can work on the underside. And it's just as easy as working on the top side. And when you work around, then you see there is still enough substance to work on this side as well. And it will create very even middle, for example, if you're using it for an oval or for a rectangular. I was about to say square, which is not rectangular, for a rectangular shape. So this is the foundation, the two-sided foundation row in single crochet. It's very easy and very quick to work. All you have to do is estimate the amount of tail that you need to make your foundation row. And it's approximately twice the size of the finished width of the foundation row. So have fun with this one. if you know someone who may have the copyright to this way of working the foundation row, please let me know. I've seen it a long time ago and I do not remember where I saw it first. And if you know if there is a copyright, please let me know so I can acknowledge that. Thank you and enjoy your foundation row.